Hello, this is Rapid Holding Systems showing you our RHS part number RHS-S6760. So this one is Rapid Holding Systems pneumatic chuck that works exactly as system 3R's 3R-680.10-2. So this pneumatic chuck comes with the base, and the base is having 6 clear fixing screw holes on both sides of the base so that this chuck can be directly installed on the machine table. The dimensions of this chuck is 198 by 170 and the overall height is 83 mils. The diameter of these holes are 13 mils. So this MacroMagnum design provides the macro class stability and accuracy, and thus it works great even in the applications with the high machining forces. The double references on top of the chuck is means that it accepts all the MacroMagnum pallets, as well as it accepts all the extended range of all macro pallets. Airlines on the side, and this pneumatic chuck accepts the automatic drawbar that is compatible with all the macro tooling. And this listing is available on our website www.rapidholdingsystems.com. Search with our part number RHS-S6760. If you have any question, call us today. We will be glad to help you. Thanks for watching.